Certainly, if you're aspiring to become a Google Ads specialist. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to help you get started on your path to expertise. Understand digital marketing basics, ***. Begin by grasping the fundamentals of digital marketing, including SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and email marketing. Familiarize yourself with Google Ads, ***. Start by learning the basics of Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords. Google offers a beginner's guide and various online resources to get you started. Google Ads certification, ***. Sign up for Google's free certification program, which includes courses and exams covering different aspects of Google Ads. Earning this certification demonstrates your knowledge and commitment. Keyword research, ***. Learn how to conduct keyword research to identify relevant and high-converting keywords for your campaigns. Campaign creation, ***. Understand the various campaign types: search, display, video, shopping, etc., and practice setting up campaigns with clear objectives. Ad copywriting, ***. Develop your skills in writing compelling ad copy that attracts clicks and conversions. Focus on creating ad headlines and descriptions that are concise and relevant. Budgeting and bidding strategies. Explore budgeting options and bidding strategies like manual CPC and automated bidding. Learn how to manage your campaign budgets effectively. Ad extensions. Understand ad extensions and how to use them to enhance your ad's visibility and relevance. Quality score and ad rank. Dive into the importance of quality score and ad rank, and learn how to improve them to achieve better ad placements. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking. To measure the success of your campaigns, learn how to set up goals and track conversions using Google Analytics. Ad testing and optimization. Continuously test different ad variations, keywords, and targeting options to optimize your campaigns for better performance. Audience targeting. Explore audience targeting options, including demographics, interests, and remarketing, to reach the right people with your ads. Analytics and reporting, ***. Use Google Analytics to gain insights into user behavior on your website. Integrate it with Google Ads for a comprehensive view of campaign performance. Advanced features. Delve into advanced features like automated rules, scripts, and custom audiences to take your campaigns to the next level. Stay informed, keep up with industry news and Google Ads updates by following blogs, forums, and industry publications. Hands-on practice. Apply your knowledge. By managing real Google Ads campaigns, consider volunteering your services or interning with a digital marketing agency to gain practical experience. Networking. Connect with other digital marketers. Join industry-related groups and attend conferences to expand your network and learn from others. Time management. Efficiently manage your time. When working on multiple campaigns to ensure they are well maintained and optimized. Ethical advertising. Adhere to ethical advertising practices and stay updated on privacy regulations to ensure compliance. Continuous learning. The digital advertising landscape evolves rapidly, so commit to continuous learning to stay competitive and relevant in the field. Quality score and ad rank. Understand how Google ranks ads and how to improve your quality score for better ad placement. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to measure the success of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Analytics and reporting. Learn how to use Google Analytics to track user behavior on your website and integrate it with Google Ads for in-depth insights. Stay updated. Stay informed about the latest updates and trends in the digital advertising industry as Google Ads constantly evolves. Practice and real-world experience. Apply your knowledge by managing real campaigns you might. Consider offering your services to small businesses or working as an intern to gain practical experience. Networking. Join industry forums, attend conferences, and connect with other digital marketers to exchange ideas and stay up to date. By following these steps and continuously refining your skills, you can work toward becoming a proficient Google Ads specialist. Remember that hands-on experience and staying updated with industry trends are key to your success in this field.